Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is basically just a video to say Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful holiday. Um, Please, if you drink and you drink, make sure you stay home. Be safe, do responsible drinking, things like that. Um, I wanted to give you guys a gift this Christmas, and I'm all about providing value, whether it's teaching people or anything like that. Now, I want to start out by saying this is not the original gift that I wanted to give everyone this Christmas. Um, the gift I did want to give, and unfortunately I didn't get it finished in time, and I'm still working on it, is my free affiliate marketing course. So that's, that course is going to be for everyone, but especially for you guys, my subscribers, as well as my list subscribers. Anyone that's on my list, they're going to get access to it. Um, I've been putting together for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and this is part of the reason why I've been kind of off camera and I haven't really been doing much videos, and I do apologize again for that. It's one of the reasons why I haven't been on here doing anything to do with videos, and I've kind of been kicking myself for it because really it doesn't take me long to get on here and do a 14-minute video or anything like that. So it's kind of been rough. I've been sitting here procrastinating a little bit, but I've also been working on this affiliate marketing course, and it's a free one that I'm putting together. Now, some of the tools I've made tools inside the course that are free, but there are some paid methods you can do too. But I kind of go through everything, and I talk about I give free alternatives too. But in the course, I discuss how to go about affiliate marketing if you're brand new. It's something that I've started to put together. I was hoping to have it done by Christmas, though. That's the whole point. Um, I wanted Christmas 2024 to be. I wanted a big gift like that to drop, and unfortunately, I ran out of time. So, here we are, 24th of December, for Christmas 2024, and I still don't have that course done. So, instead, what I've done for you guys, now I'm not really going to talk about the gift too much. I did kind of have it open here, but I'm not going to go to it because I want you guys to be surprised. I did throw something together that can help you guys right now. It's kind of a little thing that I put together. It has some things in it, some information, things like that. So it's something that I still put together that's teaching you guys about things. I would check out everything in the report, or well, it's a report. Um, uh, but I'm not going to really get too much into detail about it. It is something free that I put together for everyone that you can check out. Just you have to go to the link in the comments section and description. I do link it there. But I'll show you what the page is going to look like when you come to it. There's no opt-in required, so you don't need to opt in. So I'll just quickly go here. And this is what it's called. It's called Christmas Gift. That's what I called it. Um, so I'm going to launch it via the link itself. So we'll go to that really quick. So this is the page you're going to come to, okay? And it's like I said, it's not. There's no opt-in required. So when you hit this button, like as you see, there's no name, there's no email, nothing like that. But this is the page you're going to come to. You're just going to simply click this, and you'll get your free gift. Like I said, you don't need to opt in. There's nothing like that. Read the information. It is very informative. I put it together. I worked quite a bit on it. Like I said, it was something that I put together simply because I couldn't. I couldn't get that free course done, and I wanted it to be done so bad because that was going to be like the ultimate. Hey, look at this awesome Christmas gift I made for you guys, and unfortunately, this is all I could come up with. I'm hoping in the new year, though, it will drop in the early part of January. I'm hoping. I've still got some things to kind of figure out. I'm doing some tutorial videos and things like that in the course. So, that will drop in January. I also hope that in the next week after Christmas, when we come back from Christmas, I'm hoping to do another case study video for my lead gen, because I do have an update for that. But again, I've been really busy and working on things. There's been things in my personal life as well that I've been working on. So um, it's just been really busy, and I've been procrastinating and everything else, and I shouldn't be, because I always want to do things for you guys. So, like I said, again, down in the description in the comments section, you will come to this free gift, or this page for your free gift. It's a gift I put together for you guys. It's a Christmas gift from me to you. I'd like to say once again, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are safe, from my family to yours. Whatever you do this holiday season, just stay safe, and have a good time. Relax. I can't believe 2024 is almost done, and I mean, we're already at Christmas 2024. So I mean, that's crazy. Um, so this is what I could muster up for you guys anyway for now. Like I said, early part of January, I'm hoping the course should be done, and then I'll be advertising it in my videos and stuff for everyone. Um, I do teach stuff about my lead gen and stuff, but I kind of, in this course, delve more into how do you do affiliate marketing, what do you do. I've even incorporated how I use AI and stuff in this course. So I know that I've been talking a lot about the course and not enough about the gift, but that's because I kind of want the gift. I mean, you can see down here it says report, but you guys, it's like oodles and oodles of information that I've put together for you guys, and it's gonna be good. You guys are gonna like it. So like I said, it is very good, very decent. Check it out. And I will catch you guys after the Christmas holidays once again. And you guys have a great Christmas. Enjoy yourselves. And I will catch you guys after Christmas. Cheers.